Hello friends, today I am going to reveal some true facts of how is inflammation involved in swelling. But first of all, I request you to please share and subscribe my channel for getting my informative true facts videos uninterrupted. Now, how is inflammation involved in swelling? How is inflammation involved in swelling? Immediately following an injury, the traumatized area becomes red, warm and painful, and it begins to swell. The swelling process, also known as edema, is a result of acute inflammation, a response triggered by damage to living tissues. In the case of injury, the purpose of the inflammatory response is to remove components of damaged tissue in order to allow the body to begin to heal. The first stage of this process is characterized by a change in blood flow in the damaged area. Blood vessels eventually dilated and increased blood flows into the tissue. Blood vessels eventually dilated and they increased blood flow into the tissue, creating redness in the traumatized area. This is followed by an increase in blood vessels permeability, allowing fluids, proteins and white blood cells to migrate from the circulation to the site of tissue damage. The flood of fluids, cells and other substances to the injured site is what produces swelling. Swelling is sometimes so severe that it restricts the movement of the affected part of the body. Swelling, heat and redness in injured tissue area are reduced by the work of white blood cells. It is important. Swelling, heat and redness in injured tissue area is reduced by the work of white blood cells, particularly phagocytes. Phagocytes clean up cellular debris resulting from the injury. Phagocytes are known as neutrophils, contains granules of digestive enzymes specialized for this purpose, for this process. They typically infiltrate the injured site in large numbers within hours of injury. 1 to 2 days later, other white cells known as the monocytes enter the area to complete the process of clearing away dead cells. An inflammatory response that results from injury generally lasts only a few days. If inflammation continues, it may eventually be referred as chronic inflammation with persistent low-level swelling, prolonged tissue damage, and usually slow healing. In my next video, I will reveal some true facts of other very much interesting topic. Thanks.